Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of the day that you're watching our video. I hope everyone is having a terrific Tuesday. It is time to do our calendar. So let's sing the 7 days of the week. Here we go. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What did Mrs. Hensley say today was? First of all, let's talk about the month of the year. What month are we in? I believe it starts with the short O sound. Short O. Short O says ah. So what month would say ah at the beginning? Ah. October. You're right. So it is October. October. What is today? I'm switching things up a little bit. I didn't realize it, but I guess I am. So what day of the week is today? It says t, t. What says t? What day of the week? Sunday, Monday, t. Tuesday. Oh, it's Tuesday. Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. I'm having to go along with this. We'll do the date in just a minute. I'm sorry, friends. Mrs. Hensley got out of order of doing things. Okay, so today is Tuesday. What comes after Tuesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It says what? Whatever day of the week it is. What? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What? Wednesday. Good job. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. I'm sorry. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Okay, what was yesterday? If today is Tuesday, what was yesterday? I believe it starts with a What letter says M says So what would that start with? It starts with an M. So here we go. Sunday, Monday. Yesterday was Monday. Good job, friends. Okay, so here we go. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Okay, so the date, back to the date, Mrs. Hensley, we know it's October. October, what comes after 5? Yesterday was 5th. So what comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're right. Is 6 going to be a pumpkin or a bat? What do you think? Bat, pumpkin, bat, pumpkin, bat. You think it's going to be a pumpkin? Let's see. Black, orange, black, orange, black. You think it's going to be orange? Let's find out. 6. Yes, it's a pumpkin and it is orange. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today is October the 6th, 2020. Okay, I'm going to move you closer so we can add a tally and a straw. So here's our straw. We're adding it here and we're adding a tally mark. Okay, so let's count. We have 2 10s here, right? So counting by 10s, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We have been in school 28 days. Let's see if the tally marks tell us 28. There's a little bit of a glare. Here we go. Let's count them by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So Mrs. Hensley needs to write that 28 up here, and it is going to be a 2 and an 8. 2, 8 for 28, okay? Okay, now move on over here to write the date, okay? Here we go. We know it's October, so here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! Okay, so we know it's October. Let's see what number of the month October is, okay? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October is 5/10. So October is the 10th month. 10, and we know today is October the 6th. And we know the year is 2020. There's a little bit of a glare, friends. I'm sorry. I don't know that you can see that. Hold on just a moment. Is that better? Oh, I think that's better. Because you know what? Mrs. Hensley had to turn off the lights. Ooh, and I like that better. Okay, so we're going to do the abbreviation of October, and that is uppercase O, CT period. That's just making October smaller because October is a long word. Most of our months are. Okay, so Oct, finger space, 6, comma, finger space, 2020. Okay, and then we're going to write out that long October. October, finger space, 6, comma, 2020. Okay, so our date today is 10-6-20, or Oct, abbreviation for October, 6, comma, 2020, or October the 6th, comma, 2020. Okay, friends, who remembers what this flag is right here? That flag right up there, or that flag right there. What flag is that? It's the United States of America flag, the American flag, isn't it? Okay, and how many stars does it have? It has 50 stars. And how many stripes? 13. The 50 stars are for the 50 states, and the 12 stripes are for the 13 stripes, Mrs. Hensley. 13 stripes are for the 13 colonies, okay? So, what is this right here? That is the Statue of Liberty. And the Statue of Liberty, where is it located? It's located at the New York Harbor, isn't it? In New York. Okay, friends, let's see what we're going to do. And I'm not telling you everything that we're going to do today, but I'll tell you a few little hints. Yesterday I said that, and I think I told you everything we're doing, didn't I? I am so crazy sometimes. Okay, friends, we are doing a rhyming activity today. We're doing our letter sound chart, and Mrs. Hensley thinks that she'll just go on over here and do it instead of you having to just do it with just my voice, okay? We'll be writing the letters uppercase A and lowercase a. We will be doing a lowercase letter naming fluency a little bit differently today, kind of like we did the uppercase yesterday. And we will be doing an activity in math with 10 frames. And I'm going to tell you about senses. Remember, Mrs. Hensley asked you if you knew what the senses were. Okay, something with your body. So Mrs. Hensley will introduce the senses to you. Okay? I want you to tell me one good thing. One good thing. Remember, it has to be good. It can't be anything negative. One good thing. Okay? I want you to give me one good thing, and I hope you have a terrific Tuesday. I will talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye.